You want to charge a higher price? Would you like to charge a higher price? Yeah. Would you like to bring your cost down? Yeah. While you're charging a higher price. And why not talk about something that your client really cares about? Why not talk about how they are going to make money? Do you guys realize that as an MSP, you are at the core of these businesses? You touch everything. Technology is driving business. Technology is driving change. You know what your client doesn't care about? Updates. You know what else they don't care about? Technology. How do you make it sticky? How do you make it sticky? I am so glad you asked that. Because what? What do they want, George? They just want it to work. They want it to work so that their job is, come on, simple, easier. Because everybody starts with an L, ends with a Y, lazy. You make them lazier, you can charge more money. What were you gonna say, Tom? Okay, because here's the unimportant point, is when you go in and you keep telling people about technology that you put yourself in a technology box, right? You are the IT guys. We've had people come to us because they just lost clients that they cut prices to somebody charging a higher price. How can you do that? How do you go into a client that is price sensitive and sell at a higher price? Yeah. When you solve a business issue, they're willing to pay more, right? Who wants to ignore budgets? How would you like to go into your client and say, instead of saying, what's your budget, say, this is what it's going to cost to get that kind of result? Anybody? Right? Who would want that, right? How would you like to have these kinds of conversations with your clients easily, repeatedly, in a way that when you show up at the door, the CEO is like, oh, I want to talk to this guy. He's going to solve my problem, or she's going to solve my problem. I mean, would anybody like that? Right? You want to become stickier with your client? You want them to say, oh man, Raphael came in and he is going to change the way we operate our business. We can't wait to talk to Raphael. How many of you get that now? You go in and they're like, oh yeah, my MSP is here, woohoo! One of our members grew 152%, $60,000 MRR, reducing the number of clients by doing that. You have access to something even better than a QBR. It's called a strategic business review. You have access to the templates and the tools and the exact questions to ask.